As most of us know, a new virus was discovered in late 2019, as we now know is called COVID-19 or coronavirus. It was characterized as a pandemic on March 11th, 2020 by the World Health Organization. On the day it was characterized as a pandemic on March 11, 2020, there were around 118,000 cases worldwide that were recorded, and on June 15, 2020, there were around 7.8 million cases recorded. So that means in just a 3-month span, it has grown over 7.7 million cases. Cognitive psychology is a scientific study of mental processes and could give us the answer to why this has spread so rapidly. How, you may ask? Well, I'm about to tell you. You see, cognitive psychology involves mental processes such as attention, memory, perception, and thinking. When we see a large group of people, for example, let's say, buying as much toilet paper as they can, our perception is that maybe we should do the same thing because those people are doing it for a reason. But for some people, the anterior insular cortex switches on and we think about those who are in need most. In other words, we start to feel empathy. In situations like these, people are divided into 3 groups. Number 1, the followers, who will follow the crowd. Number 2, the selfless, who will think about others before they think about themselves. And number 3, the realists, who will accept the situation as it is and deal with it accordingly. So if those people need toilet paper, they will buy toilet paper. But if they don't, then they won't. Our mind is so complex that it has 86 billion neurons, and each one are in use every second of our lives. One theory for why it has spread this rapidly came out of the field of cognitive psychology and is based on environment. Like we said before, our perception depends on what we see around us. So let's say a large group of people isolated themselves and kept their distance. The idea of keeping their distance would spread, and soon enough, that large group of people would turn into a whole country. This is because our brain doesn't like to feel like an outsider. For some people, however, they don't care if they are an outsider, which is why it makes every single human brain unique. The solution to slow the spread is to get enough people to wear masks, keep their distance, and wash their hands frequently, because soon enough, the idea to wear masks, keep their distance, and wash their hands frequently will spread and result in the decreasing amount of cases every day. Within cognitive psychology lies the answer to our thoughts and actions.